My name is James, and this is my brother,
Jaden.
and together we are Super Bros! Today, we will be unboxing Blokees, Marvel, Spidey, and his amazing friends.
Let's go! This set is suitable for ages 3 and above. This means it's very suitable for you young ladies out there. Let's see what's inside the box. I'm so excited.
Whoa! That's cool!
First up, we got Spiderman, aka Peter Parker.
Next up, we have Miles Morales.
We have Ghostspider, aka Gwen Stacy.
And last up, we have Ironman, Tony Stark.
Yes! So, without further ado, let's get building!
Here it is, Miles Morales. Let's build it. Here it is, Ironman or Tony Stark. Let's build him.
Alright, next up we have Gwen Stacy, aka the Ghost Spider. Let's get opening. Now, last but not least, we have our friendly neighborhood Spiderman. Let's open it. we forgot about you right there. Hi. Well, now we're gonna rate these toys out of 5 stars. James, would you like to start?
Absolutely. And my verdict, 5 out of 5 stars. And that's because these are easy to build. At least it should be. And the playability is great, as the limbs are very flexible. It's amazing.
Well, that must be a fun.
Yeah.
Oh well, now it's my review. My review is also 5 out of 5 stars. It's just that good. It's amazing. Thanks. Now, these toys have amazing details. It's very cute and I love it. These toys also can do lots of poses, just like this one. Can you imagine this is a kid's toy and can do this?
That's cool.
Kids also can just play around with them, and if it breaks, they can just put it on again. That's what's good about it.
And did you know that Ironman's mask is open?
That's amazing. Well, that's really cool. What's for the next episode, you ask? Well, it's this. Blood Moon vs. Luna EX Box.
That's amazing.
That's so cool. I'm so excited to open this.
Me too. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and comment down below your favorite.
Well, don't forget to turn on those notification bells as well, so you don't miss out on this banger episode. Can't wait.
Well, that's it from us.
Bye!
That's cool. What's not allowed?
So excited for this though.